For Edo Innovates, we dey do wetin they call leveraging on technology to change life. That one we say, through ICT and innovation, we wan create jobs and we wan help you make your business better. Now, the Edo State government don already provide this available place where you fit come, where you fit do anything where involve leveraging on technology to improve your job prospect or to improve your business. Inside this place, we get computer labs. Now, these computer labs, we get 4 computer labs where they provide training on artificial intelligence, coding, graphics design. You want to know how to design websites, we get that one. That one dey there. Programs they run from time to time, and people fit apply. You fit apply on the Edo Jobs portal. Say, I hear say graphics design program dey come up. I hear say data science program dey come up. I wan participate. You go apply for the Edo Jobs portal to participate for these programs. We get wetin they call co-working spaces. Co-working spaces na mini office for everybody wey know say I dey do my business. Before I put gen, before I pay staff, before I do all these things, how I wan pay rent, how I wan take do my business. Co-working spaces na the place where you fit go, where you go get power, you go get internet, and you go get people to work with. If na only you, you fit get 1 desk. If na you plus 2 people, you fit get 3. And the thing be say, if you dey use the co-working space for there, you go dey participate and benefit from wetin dey go on there. And we get 3 co-working spaces for there, and those spaces fit support up to 300 businesses. But na first come, first serve. Now, based on the competitions where we do, based on the applications where we get, based on the seriousness of entrepreneurs, we go know who we want put there. We also get what they call dedicated space. Okay, me, I don't need 1 desk. I won't have my own office space. I dey do business, but I want the inside innovation hub. I want to interact with the people where they there. I want to employ people where they there. For example, we get organization like Slot. I'm sure many people know Slot. They be our partners. They train young people for that place on how to fix laptops, on how to fix phone. We dey work with them. Now, they don't get space for inside Edo Innovates. They go, they do their training, but then go, they do their normal thing for them. So, we get offices, dedicated spaces. We can't get training hall. Now, I don't talk about computer lab, but the training halls where we get, those halls now for short training or long training, where you go need your computer or you no go need your computer. Remember, say for the place we dey look entrepreneurship. So we dey do different trainings. We don't complete many trainings for entrepreneurs using these training halls with partners. We partner with organizations like Drake University. They run entrepreneurship and innovation training. Pan Atlantic University. Then take about a lot of entrepreneurs through what they call SME Toolkit. That one na online tool where SME owners fit use take improve their businesses. We do training with other partners for financial intelligence, financial management, and bookkeeping. So these training halls dey for us to use, but also for people we say, I want use modern facility, I want run training, we go benefit people for Edo State, and I want use modern facility. Those training halls still dey there. You fit come, you fit make request, say, I get training for so day, I fit get space. We get small halls where fit take 50 people, we get big halls where fit take up to 300 people. All of these things dey inside there. We get one very special place where they inside Edo Innovates, where I want make everybody know. We call them business support services. Now, this is something where the Edo State government is very passionate about, because say I get business, I know sabi law, I want register my business, I know sabi accounting, I want prepare my books so I fit get investor or investment, I know sabi marketing, how I want to make that person for Lagos know say I dey sell something for here. So these people, accounting, IT, legal, all of them, HR, admin, then they there. They fit advise you, they fit support you, say you dey, and you no need to dey inside that building to benefit from the business support services. Wetin you dey wait? Come experience Edo Innovates. here, make you come know wetin dey happen for here, make you come see as e dey go, make you come see how you fit benefit, because this program no be for anybody, na for you.